Director. Mo ní ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa mú ìyàwó wá dé so ìjọ kan mo wá pé jagunjagun kí n tó mọ̀ mo ní òkè ọmọ mi máa rí ìyàwó fẹ́ lọ́sẹ̀ yìí pé wọ́n ti pa
ẹni máa bà ọjọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀
fún mi
ó yá kí ẹ mú wa
wọ́n ti mú orí pé wọ́n ti kú dà ọlọ́run ló yọ wọ́n
ti kú dà ọdún ìtafẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní next week.
ṣé wọ́n pa bíbélì yóò gbé mọ́ tó máa lọ nípa bàbá fọwọ́ sí bàjẹ́ jáde ẹ̀ ní wọ́n fẹ́ kọ́ máa mú lọ. Wonderful work. I'm so proud of you guys.
That we do work in big.
Yes, yes. I'm ever so proud of you. His grandfather was the person who gave me my first pair of glasses. Yes. Benny, our man will allow see a movie, a pair of glasses. So Baba yẹn ti rí wa báyìí ló ní òkè. Read. So èmi dẹ̀ rò pé gbogbo alájẹ̀nú. So wọ́n ní kíkọ́ read ó ní. Only sir, I can't see anything. When you can't see, Baba wa gbé kíkì ìrọ̀yìn, wọ́n á gbé sójú ẹ̀. Wọ́n á ṣe bí pé wọ́n fi gíláàsì, wọ́n á yọ, wọ́n ní rí lójó ó ti fi. Is it the girls? Queen's College? Better these girls high school? I saw one before you. Thank you, sir. So we don't need like what you want. Need well, you know that. You know, so I never forgot that. That you know. So when you came to that, you're like, you don't know. Did he tell you of any family secrets? Make you proud. Your friend. God bless. Thank you. Prof. Yes. Mommy, come. Mommy. Okay, sir.
Yeah, my family sir. Ọmọ bíbí rere léyìí gbogbo lẹ́kì àjọ wà ní 2020.